Namaskar. Welcome in my channel, all views in a one glance galaxy world with Sarika Kedar. Today's good thought is memories are always special and they haunt us after so many years. That means our favorable things or favorable memories are unforgettable. We can't delete it from our mind, and that haunt after so many years. That is why I am writing here today's good thought. Memories are always special and they haunt us after so many years. Now today's subject is social studies, and in that the topic name is the universe. This is my second lecture in the SST subject. Now the definition of universe is, it is a vast open space in which we live. The earth together with all the planets and stars. Earth includes so many planets and which are situated in the universe. That is why the definition is, it is a vast open space, it is a broad space, and in which we live, the earth together with all the planets and stars, it is called as the universe. Now the second one is the galaxy. A huge collection of stars and the planets. There are the million of galaxies in the universe. What is the meaning of the galaxy? Galaxy means what? The collection of stars and the planets. And not only single one galaxy is present in the universe, there are so many of millions of galaxies are present in the universe. And examples of the galaxies are Milky Way and Andromeda are the examples of a galaxy. Now second one is the Milky Way. All the stars which we see from the earth, whenever we saw in the sky, that time so many stars are seen, that is called as a Milky Way. In a white band it is present, that is why it is called as the Milky Way. And after that there will be the stars, the big balls of fire that give out heat and light, it is called as the stars. Twinkle twinkle little star, that we heard in a nursery rhyme. In that it is explaining, but now it is a more whole explanation of that big balls of fire. Stars are having the big balls and they gives out the heat and so much of light. After that, the solar system, that is also included in the universe. In the solar system, the sun and the 8 planets along with their satellites and other heavenly bodies like the comets and the asteroids from the solar system. Solar system is the vast system which is included in the universe. In the solar system, what are present? The Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These all are present in the solar system, and main boss is the Sun in the solar system, and which these all are present, these all are step by step present in the universe. Now I want to give the repetition on that. Today we are studying the social studies. In that the main topic name is the universe. In that we are learn about the definition of universe. It is a vast open space which is called as the universe. And in a universe, the galaxy is present. It is a huge collection of the stars and the planets. After that, we learn about the Milky Way. Milky Way is a white patch which is present in the earth. That is why, because it is formed because of the stars, that is why it is called as a Milky Way. Now the question is that, what is the meaning of stars? The big balls of fire that give out heat and light, it is called as the stars. And after that, solar system is present. The sun and the 8 planets along with their satellite and the heavenly bodies and the comets and asteroids, it is called as the solar system. And in the solar system, the first one is the sun, and in the sun is present in the middle, and at the in orbit, the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are moved in the spatial orbit and in the spatial path. And in the next lecture, I will give the detailed about the asteroids and what is the meaning of comets and what are the Mercury, Venus, what is the sun, and the basic knowledge of that I am given in the third one lecture. Now until then, bye.